friends! I hope you are all doing great. Today, I want to chat about something super cool, water. We drink it, splash in it, and need it every day. So, let's get going. Our main sources of water for drinking, washing, and growing food are surface water, such as lakes, rivers, and oceans. Groundwater, which is found underground in the cracks and spaces of soil, sand, and rock, and lastly, collected rainwater. All of these sources depend on rain and snow falling on the Earth's surface. Water is made up of tiny particles called molecules. Each molecule is made of one oxygen atom and two hydrogen atoms. That's why we call it H2O. Now for a fun fact. Water is the only common substance that can be found in 3 different states. As a solid, we have ice. As a liquid, it's just water, and as a gas, it's steam. It is important to remember that water is a very special resource. Clean water is essential for everyone to live, play, and thrive. So, let's save water by not wasting it. We can do little things like turning off the tap when we brush our teeth, taking shorter showers, and collecting rainwater to water our plants. Every drop counts and makes a difference. Thanks for watching.